Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust between miles and kilometers for your display settings. So first we're going to make sure the vehicle is actually on, which it is, and then we'll use these options to toggle between all the options. So we'll start with this to select between the different menus. So we'll watch here for everything. So click through here, still pushing that same button until we get to this screen. Now we're going to switch to this to go up and down, and then push enter to enter each option. So we're going to just keep scrolling down. We'll keep going down so we get to this unit. Now here we'll push enter, and then here, if it's not already on mileage or kilometers, it'll be on that. Push enter again, and then here you can change it to whichever you prefer, and then push enter again, and it just auto updates. As you can see, it changed this to kilometers. I'm in the United States, so I would prefer miles. So back to miles, enter. That's it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.